A network is basically a collection of devices that are linked together in order to enable the sending and receiving of data between them. The smallest and most basic type is a personal area network, which is normally managed by one person from a single device. It will typically consist of a wireless modem connected to a computer and a small number of portable devices such as phones, tablets or laptops. The most well-known types of networks are LANs and WANs. A LAN is a local area network. In other words, it's a group of computers and associated low-voltage devices that share a common communications line to a local server. LANs are commonly found in homes or office buildings and can be used to connect 2 or 3 buildings that are in close proximity to each other. Devices connected to the local area network can share information and resources such as printers or network storage. If the local area network cannot rely on physical cables as the most effective method of connecting devices to a server, then it can use a wireless network technology, such as Wi-Fi. It is then known as a wireless local area network and operates in much the same way. If data needs to be transferred quickly and safely to a location further away, LANs can be connected to a WAN using a router. A WAN is a wide area network. In other words, a large multi-site network that allows computers to connect across longer distances, such as between cities or nations. They tend to be connected using public networks, so are maintained by multiple administrators. The most commonly used wide area network is the Internet. More recently, another type of network has become popular. The Virtual Private Network, or VPN, extends a private network across the Internet, allowing users to send and receive data as if their devices were connected to a private network. This is done using a virtual point-to-point connection so that users can access a private network remotely. A network has a number of characteristics. Every device must have a unique address to identify it. Every device must have a connection point called an interface. The devices are joined by a method of connection in a variety of different ways that is known as the topology. And finally, networks used an agreed language, or protocol, that defines the format of the data and how it is processed. The basic language of the Internet and many private networks is called Transmission Control Protocol Internet Protocol, TCP-IP. The Transmission Control Protocol breaks messages into small packets so that they can be easily transmitted to another device and then reassembles those packets into the original message. The Internet Protocol makes sure that each packet gets to the correct destination by taking care of the unique addresses, which is checked at every gateway before forwarding packets to be reassembled at the destination.